Did you see the 5 income streams with multiple income funnel? Watch the video all the way to the end and I'll show you them now. So I'll get started here. First of all, I'll show you the links. There's a capture page. Each capture page has a link. That's why they call them links. There's a lot of capture pages. You can use one or as many as you want. It's up to you. I use more than one depending where I send them to. Then you go back into the system again and you check out all the training that's included with it. First of all, you get your weekly training, then you get your marketing system training. Look at all the training you can get to help you become a better marketer. You don't have to do these all at once. You can do one or two, whatever you got time for, and then when you got some more time, you come back and do another one. But be sure to watch them. They're definitely worthwhile. Then you exit that training and you go back into and you got your 7-step training. Now, this is something you should do before you get started. First of all, lesson 1 shows it says, lesson work on you, which means works on your personality. Improve your personality. Lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do your YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then lesson 7, there's some more bonuses. Once you go in there, you can take a look at them. Then you exit all the training and you go back into it. It shows you who all on your teams are. And then you go in here. Once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get, and you get an email with each lead. So be sure to follow up. Yeah, the company follows up, but if you want to work with them, they want to hear from you. So be sure to follow up. Otherwise, they probably won't join. Then you got the leaderboard, and then you got resources. This is some sample emails you can use to do the follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you, but be sure to follow up. Then you go back in there again and you see all the banners you can use to do your advertising. Look at all the banners in here. All these banners that you can use to do your advertising. Then you go back into there again, and then you can see social media images. You can use these to do your social advertising. So all these things really a big benefit for you to do this business. And then you got shows you Facebook posts, and traffic shows you where and how to get traffic. Okay, and then you got a bonus income. I'll tell you about a little later if I don't forget. Okay, now let's say that you like all the things I just showed you. Okay, if you want to get started, you go here, you click on Get Started, and then you click on there. I'm going to put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do the presentation, and with that same link, you can also join. So once you watch that video and see everything that you get with this, be sure and sign up. It's definitely worthwhile your time. Okay, step 1. First of all, you go to step 1, and Matt will show you that. And right now they have, it's usually $97, but right now they have a special on for $49. And if you get somebody to sign up under that, you make a $20 commission every month residual. And then you got, and if you want to, you can go join for the whole year. That's another $350, but then you make a $200 commission. That's the route I took because you don't have to worry about payments for a whole year, and you do make bigger commissions. Then you got step 2 and step 3. You can put your own opportunities in there if you have any, and if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month. Then you got number 4 is back office and also traffic authority. Now, traffic authority has been in business for over 10 years, so you get great leads there. And it depends how many leads you buy at the cost. If the more leads you buy, the cheaper per lead. But if so it's up to you. You can use those leads or you can use your own. And multiple income funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so these are all legitimate opportunities. Okay, now I want to show you another bonus, my bonus income. Here's another one I use to get leads. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody to join you under that, you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And you also make a small commission. And this also includes emailing him every day. So be sure to take a look at that when you get in there. Okay, I think I pretty well covered everything here. So let me see. We start here there. So I sure hope that you guys are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. And like I say, be sure to take a look at this seriously and get started today. So that's all I'm going to tell you for this week. So talk to you next week. Bye for now.